Okay, I'm still Engineer Kinsley representing Sky Tutorial. If you want to solve this, my giveaway question is very simple, just using law of indices. Inside the bracket, you discover, let me work on the bracket first. You discover that the index of 9 is 3 raised to the power 2, and the index of 4 is 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this same thing is written in the form of 3 all over 2 all to power 2 according to the law of indices using the index power. Okay, so I can carefully do something now, by writing this to be 3 all over 2 all to power 2 with what I have in the bracket multiply by the power here, which is 9 all over 4. Okay, 2 we cancel 4, it will be remaining 3 all over 2 inside the bracket into the power of 9 all over 2. Okay, so this is a fraction. 9 divided by 2 is equivalent to 4.5, but I choose to use fraction because with indices 4.5 is the same thing as 4.5. So if I want to use the idea of 4.5, since I'm representing things in fraction, 4.5 in normal sense is the same thing with 4 plus half. I know that will make sense to you. Okay, so that I can use the law of indices here. According to the law of indices, anytime you have same base and different powers separated with positive, this thing is the same thing as 3 all over 2 all to the power, the first power here, which is 4, multiply by 3 all over 2 all divided by the second power, which is half. Okay, so if you look at this, the 3 all over 2 raised to the power 4, you discover that the power 4 is affecting the 3 and affecting the 2. So it becomes 3 raised to the power 4, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 will give us 81 all over 2 raised to the power 4 at the denominator will give me 16 equal to multiply by, please listen, if you discover that this thing is raised to the power half, which is solved 3 all over solved 2, because it's affecting the numerator and affecting the denominator, so I will have solved 3 here because raised to the power half is solved, multiply by solved 2. Okay, then you discover a rules of solved. We don't always allow solved to be at the denominator when we are solving some expression, so we still have 81 all over 16 here. Okay, multiply by, you are already having solved 3 all over solved 2. Okay, I will multiply by the denominator, which is the radical at the denominator, to eliminate this solved. So what I'll be having here is, okay, let me take care of this radical here. Solved 3 times solved 3 is solved 6, and solved 2 times solved 2 is 2. If you just want to use solved, you can just do solved 2 times solved 2 is solved 4. Solved 4 is 2. You get the same thing. So the final answer will now be 81 all over 81 solved 6 all over 16 multiplied by 2, which will finally give me 81 solved 6 all over 32. So this is very simple indices which I gave. I explained. I expect you to give me a detailed explanation like this using all these laws, and I will credit you 1 gig. Please, if you get this answer and you check and you are the first person that gets this particular answer with detailed explanation, feel free to paste your number and your network. Let me credit 1 gig to your number. Thanks for always trusting Engineer Kinsley for a good solution. I will always be your boy and give you a good understanding of things that you need for this school to get progress.
I beg, now we don't watch and say like just like comment. I just beg you, comment now. Why you do that? You start. You want to go?